So how'd you all meet?
We actually lived across the street from each other.
Okay. Okay.
We were artists in the Twin Cities, and we kind of met that way. We had mutual friends that were friends, and so it was bound to happen.
Okay.
We just met. We did a project together. It was our just project.
Who had the love for the great outdoors? Both or both of you all? Whose ideal to get this beautiful mansion and get on the road?
It was my idea. I like Andrea and I had been researching and seeing people on YouTube, and I love it. It looks free, and it is free. So
yes,
here for it.
When do you think there's an end date? Is there an end date with the freedom on the road, or never? You don't know.
I think we're just gonna definitely run away from the snow.
Okay.
And so that's kind of our plan, but we definitely want to just be able to travel and move around more during the winter times, and hopefully go to the West Coast next time.
Oh, cool. Last question. What's the name of your YouTube channel? And spell it, please, because I was looking for it and I want to make sure everybody finds it.
Our YouTube channel is Kojo N YaYa. That's Kojo and the and symbol and Yaya, YaYa. So you can find us on YouTube, find us on Instagram. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.
Absolutely. Nice meeting you all. Take the joy route.
Nice to meet you.
Kojo is making a meal for her and her spouse. And she's got asparagus, onions. Look how she cut those peppers. She was a chef in a different life, right? Okay. You're a chef. Look at the chicken on the grill. Look at her getting busy with the chicken on the grill. She's got it going on.
Yeah.
Wow. That's good. Okay. Yeah, I gotta show the chicken. Okay. Look at her chicken. This looks like some chef stuff. We already cooked our chili. We should have waited till they came. I don't think y'all should still eat with us. We're good. I mean, I think she sleep. Thank you for offering it. I think Andrea might be sleeping. Look at their rig. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? And this was a star. You did some chef. You been a chef in another life? Are you? My mom. Oh, your mom is a grandma. Okay. I mean, she cooks, so I learned from her. You cut up stuff all nice and neat and everything. And look at the fire she started. That's a good fire right there. Look at the fire. This is a great campground just to relax. If you want to come here and just be away, pretty far away from places, and just it's a great campground. Yeah, it's a great campground. I met a guy earlier who's a survivalist. He said he used to teach workshops. He didn't have a lot of people of color or black people interested in survival. Huh? I said, I'm very interested. That's what I said. I said, you at the right place. He said he didn't find a lot of people were interested in that. Oh, yeah. But he liked it. That's what we were saying too. He said he's glad that we, doing the outdoors, and he was saying he could teach us how to, eat it. He said if we ever had to survive like in cold weather, or you had to you couldn't shop at a grocery store to get your food. He was saying that he could teach you everything you need to know. Him. Because this is the time to do that. It is, isn't it? He was though. I mean, I really enjoyed talking to him. He said, a lot of people, he said this campground is very nice. Yeah. And he was saying that, they've had a couple of people come through here that, just messed up the energy. And he talked a lot about, good energy and, just being, he said, but overall, everybody is beautiful here. He was like, he's having such a great time, and, they're just beautiful. Now I want to see what she do with this. What she plans to. What you put the asparagus and olive oil and.
I'm gonna do kebabs with the veggies.
Are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Stop it! Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once the chicken is done, once everything is done, I'll just put it in here.
Okay. And
then cover it with the foil.
You did a full map. Sometimes I'm camping with people. Or like y'all, like you, even Andrea, they put me, it's like I've been camping all my life as a kid. I mean, I grew up camping, going to campgrounds and stuff. And y'all cooking and stuff, it just amazes me. And the stuff you do, y'all out cleaning. You a straight.
Yeah, today was a work day.
Y'all
That's
got
why
this.
I was like, I want to get up with her, but
I know. I totally understand. I've been kind of since I've been with that Boondocking Diva, that's her name. We've been doing touristy stuff, eating out at restaurants, and just I was like, when they laugh, I was like, I won't stay behind because I don't get nothing done on the food, like. So I kind of been bullying too. And my space is such a small space that if you don't keep it clean, it don't happen. You know what I mean? Like it's such a small space that in that minivan that one thing you lose it's lost. So you really have to keep it important. Yeah. Okay.
I gotta go get the sticks for the.
Oh, the shish kebab sticks. Okay. Okay. There's a car coming in. She's making shish kebabs. She's making shish kebabs. Yeah, it's just like, it's been such a place of peace here. So when I want to get away from home and being home, I come here. Well, I get my van and go camping it's therapeutic for me. So. I met Kojo and Yaya when I was camping at Warthen RV Park in Warthen, Georgia. I saw Kojo outside standing next to her Class A, and I just went up to her and introduced myself. And then I asked her if I could tour her rig. I told her I was a YouTuber. She shared that she is also a YouTuber, and I just asked if I could tour her rig. I am an introvert, and people think that introvert means shy, but I am in no way shy. I am not shy. I'm very friendly and outgoing. I was at the campground with Thea, that Boondocking Diva, and also Andrea. Andrea joined us, as you saw from the earlier clips. And I go around and I speak to everybody on the campground. Anybody willing to talk, I will talk. I have my moments where I definitely need to refuel and to go away, but in the meantime, I'm always happy to meet new friends. Kojo is a videographer and she also teaches workshops. And it was so good meeting her because we talked about, I asked her, I said, well, you edit my videos, I'll pay you. And then later she discovered that I was a writer. So we kind of talked about bartering some services. In this clip or in this photo, she is interviewing Andrea, who I call the Southern Superstar. Her van tour that I'll link to, I might put it up here in the card, has done so well on my channel. I took a couple of pictures inside Kojo and Yaya's RV. Originally, my goal was to tour the RV, but time just got away from us. We were having so much fun doing other activities that the day that we were set to leave, I was going to tour their RV, but it ended up that Kojo interviewed me. She toured my van. She toured Andrew's van. I did go in their van and get some footage, but the music was playing, which I didn't even think about when I was getting the footage. So I need to have the music removed so I don't get a copyright strike. But here's a stove in their RV, and their RV has splashes of color all over the place. They have bold colors like this turquoise that's in their kitchen. This is their stove. They paid such good attention to detail with the interior design of this RV. Here's Kojo, even as we were in there, she was putting up, her plant or her wall hanging. This sofa, I only got a side view of it, but here's another picture. Okay, so here's the full sofa, sort of, kind of. Um, in the backdrop of this sofa, this whole wall behind this sofa is orange. Orange is like one of my favorite colors. And this, I mean, every detail in this RV is really on point. Here is Yaya at the sink. I'm washing dishes. I met Kojo first, and so at first I thought Yaya was really shy, but turns out Yaya is like maybe even more outgoing than Kojo, and Kojo is so sweet and outgoing. They both are, but Yaya is a hoot. You have to go watch the video on their channel. She's an actress. She stars in plays, and right now, because of the what's going on, she's doing plays on Zoom. Here is their bathroom. I guess they have the plants in the shower to get them some fresh water. But every touch in this RV, and I wish I had gotten to tour it, is so lovely. We did make plans to camp again, maybe, this summer or something like that. I told them to come to Ohio, or like, as you know, if you look at some of my earlier videos, I was in Minnesota, which is where they're from, earlier this summer. So I might go there. Who knows? I first found out about Warthen RV Park up here when Fox and Miles interviewed this couple, and they were talking about their RV park. The pictures, I'm gonna put some more videos up of the park, but my pictures really don't do the park justice. It's in the middle of like the country, and it's so peaceful, and it's just a good vibe at that park. Here is the Warthen RV Park website. I'll be sure to include a link to this website as well as to Kojo and Yaya's channel. I'm having some slow internet issues going on up here. But my favorite part of Warthen Park is they have this swing, and it's orange, and it was so fun swinging in the swing. Also, I like that they have a couple of indoor spaces and also a shelter, because the first day we got there, it rained, and so we were able to sit under the shelter and talk and stay dry without each person having to be in their own rig. I also like in the laundry room area, there's a table where you can just sit down as your laundry has been done. If you need to work or whatever, you want to be out your van, that's a good thing. I thank you all so much for watching my videos. I got a lot of content. It takes a long time to edit these videos, and when you get through, you're like, oh, is that edited? But anyway, I thank you for supporting my channel. Um, Please like, subscribe, share. Your conversation, your comments mean everything. I answer each and every comment. Take the joy route.